is going on, everyone? Rachel here with another video, very long overdue video, but this video is going to be very great because one, the Mustang is involved, and two, we're going to the Freedom Factory, guys. So I already got the car up on the trailer, took it in this morning to get a line, popped the relay, gave me a heart attack because it wouldn't start, but thank God it was only a relay. Filling up the truck now that I still haven't done a video on, but she's pretty much good. She's aligned. She's leaking a little bit of oil, but that's all right. Gave her a little instant detail bath, but we're gonna hit the road right after here. Rod's inside getting some refreshments, and yeah, we got about a 3-hour drive. Gonna stop at the hotel, unload the Mustang, drive the Mustang to the Freedom Factory, and have some fun. So I'll do a little time lapse of some highway driving, and then I'll get back to you guys when we get to the hotel. We left late, but still pretty cool. They got a mobile dyno, got some tents out. I parked my little box over here. Unfortunately, I got too excited, and when I took it off the trailer, I kind of completely broke my bumper tabs and cracked the bumper, but she's holding up right now. So she's parked up on the side of the walls. She made it. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around. If I see anything cool, I'll point it out to you guys. Yeah. Guys, so we woke up like maybe 20 minutes ago, but we're gonna start heading back down south, or southeast technically, but no one stole my shitbox overnight, which is really nice. There's a nice GTR over there, but I didn't get much content last night because it was honestly just like a really chill meet and pretty cool. Some awesome cars. We got a little bit of a crowd over mine, which was kind of cool. But yeah, I mean, she's still here. Only thing that happened last night was when I was pulling it off the trailer, I got a little too excited and I like completely broke my bumper. So we got a nice little crack here too. But get some quick releases on this thing. So, I mean, she did pretty well, even though she didn't drive much, but she got some attention. That's really all that matters. But just gonna get some gas in my truck here and gonna head back down south. It is now, what, Friday, February 5th? Just getting home now. I just put all my stuff inside, but dropped off the car, dropped off the trailer. So that was quite fun, and really, it actually was fun. So I got a lot of experience from just driving the trailer and learning how to back it in and park it. It was honestly the first time I took a long distance travel with a trailer, especially with the Mustang. So it's quite interesting. I didn't kill anyone, I didn't break anything, so that's a plus. But I had a really great time, and so much respect to everyone, and seriously huge thumbs up to Cletus and the team. They've been freaking grinding for the past year, and all of us have just been waiting to go in, and it's just a big congrats to you, brother. I know you're probably never gonna see this, but big thumbs up to you. But I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, conclude the video, and stick around for the end of the video because I got a pretty cool clip for you guys. Alright guys, so wanted to thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I know I didn't get much content. I was more so kind of savoring the moment. I was like, yo, my car is on the Freedom Factory. I kind of drove around it. It was pretty cool. I mean, it was a really good turnout. Everyone was respectful about it, which was awesome. And met a few cool new people. And it was good to hear that people think the swap looks good, because in my eyes it still looks like a hunk of garbage, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, your car's never going to look how you want it to. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. And I'm going to be doing some updates to the Mustang probably in the next week, so stay tuned for that because it's going to look even nicer than how it looks now. That's all I'm going to say. But I'm going to be posting a lot of videos of that, and yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to. See you guys later.